The mountains just haven't gotten as much snow as they typically do, so we swung down to Frisco to chat with people, and it turns out that just because the snow hasn't been falling, it doesn't mean that their spirits have. We managed to find perhaps the one ice patch right now in the mountains, and according to Denver 7 meteorologist Stacy Donaldson, finding some snow at all would be a Christmas miracle.
Definitely we have seen a slow start here for the season. And so it's mostly man-made snow that's keeping the resorts going in the high country so far.
But that hasn't stopped crowds at ski town restaurants like Begali's.
Crowd-wise, it's getting a little tight because there's not a lot of runs open, so not the best, but it's still snow, so I'm okay with it.
Server Jacob Strauss snowboards in his off time, but thinks the experience may be a bit different for locals instead of those from out of town.
The ones who don't know how to ski say it's great. The ones who do obviously say it's disappointing, but for the most part, yeah, everyone's still going out there.
I would say it's all relative. So not great Colorado snow is pretty great East Coast snow. Bad snow and bad skiing is better than no skiing. So I'm psyched to be here.
The snowiest months here are actually after the new year, and we may be getting some good snowfall soon, even by Colorado standards.
The good news is we do have some stormy weather on the way, and that includes some snow for our northern and central mountains. Friday night into Saturday night could see potentially up to a couple feet of snowfall.
But still, the holiday season is about more than what is or isn't on the ground.
We're all together. We're all celebrating Christmas together, thank God.
In Frisco,
we got to ski together, and we got to hang out together and do a lot of stuff together.
Ethan Carlson, Denver 7.